My friends, welcome to this episode of the Outdoor Gear Review. I hope you all are doing well. What I have here today is the Helikon-Tex Numbat. This is a chest rig. I've done numerous videos about this. You've seen me wearing this product in a ton of adventures. If you're not familiar with this, make sure to check out my review as I go over every single feature, every pro and con. This episode is about this product, and at the same time, it's about this one. This is the Numbat, and this is the Feiwood Chinese knockoff. While these products are very similar, and I do mean very similar, there are some differences. At the same time, these are priced quite differently. The retail price of the Numbat is $70. The retail price of the Feiwood chest rig is $35. Feiwood, I'm not really sure how to pronounce it, that's my best guess. As you're about to see, they have many of the same features, and this is without a doubt the closest knockoff to this product that I've seen yet. By the way, let's talk about this company for a second. I have something really funny and also really weird to share with you all. When it comes to this Chinese company, this is what they have to say about themselves. And folks, this is a little weird. FWG is the abbreviation of Feiwood Gear and isn't the founder's name, but a nickname for those who are considered losers and spend all day in activities others think are useless. Once you make sure your passion came from what you want to do, take it easy to keep going forward. That's the reason we established the FWG brand, to help people regain and maintain their passions. Follow your heart and pursue your passion. When I saw this statement on their Amazon listing, I had to get Susie to come and read it because it's pretty bizarre. Again, it says, but a nickname for those who are considered losers. Did they call themselves losers? I don't know. FWG is the abbreviation for Feiwood Gear and isn't the founder's name, but a nickname for those who are considered losers. Yeah, I guess so they're calling themselves losers, actually. Whatever, I don't care, but it's weird. Let's take a look at these packs and let's compare features. So from the get-go, you could see that these are very similar. Up front, you have two stretchy pockets, one on each side. With the Chinese knockoff, you have the same features, but slightly different. This features a cover that goes over those pockets. There's no cover with the Chinese version. You have some webbing across the front and bottom. You have webbing across the front, but not at the bottom. When looking on the bottom of these packs, you have shock cord on both, and you also have some webbing. Once you go behind those two front pockets, you have a zippered main body pocket. And these open up virtually the exact same way. And on the inside, you have basically the exact same thing. You have hook and loop for pouches, holsters, and so on. You have an organizer, a zippered pocket, and you have this cordage that allows you to open this up in the formation of a shelf. Again, both of these rigs have the same features. With the Numbat, that's all the pockets that you have. With the Chinese knockoff, there's one additional pocket. So behind that main body pocket is an additional zipper. And you have more hook and loop. Included, you have a hook fastener holster for your handgun. Now let's take a look at the back side of these rigs. As you can see, they're almost the same. You do have some webbing on the Numbat that you do not have with the Chinese version. You do have some mesh on this one, on the Numbat, but this one you have 3D mesh, and this is actually going to be better for ventilation. Not by much, but some. The harness systems for these packs are virtually the same. You have the 4 buckles, fully adjustable in every single point. You have strap keepers. Again, everyone, these are virtually identical. Let's go over some stats, folks. So again, let's talk about the price. This is $70 retail. On Amazon, it's about 90 bucks. With the Chinese version, it is only available on Amazon, and this is $35, and that's at the time of filming. With the Numbat, it comes with an inner map organizer, which I've taken out. The weight of this rig without that organizer is 13.9 ounces. The weight of this system here with the holster is 15.4. Really, we're not talking about much of a difference between these two. With the Numbat, this is 11 inches by 7.6 inches, and it's roughly 2.3 inches deep. With the Feiwood, this is 11.8 inches by 7.8 inches, and it's roughly 3.5 inches deep. So again, very similar, but there are some differences here. With the Numbat, this is available in a ton of colors. This is the shadow gray version, but you can find variants of green, red, camo, black, and so on. with the Chinese version, coyote brown and black, and that's it. When it comes to the Numbat's materials, you're really looking at the best of the best. You have a 500D Kadura nylon. You have YKK zippers, WJ buckles, which those are fantastic buckles, by the way. When it comes to the Chinese version, all they state is this is a 500 denier nylon, no name zippers, no name buckles. With the Numbat, my friends, the overall quality of this, the construction is very, very good. Also, the materials are top notch. This is one of the few products from Helikon-Tex that I could say that really, really looks good. Oftentimes with their products, there are quality control issues, loose threads. Sometimes they can look really, really bad. But with the Numbat, I have 2 of these, none have any sort of issues. This feels like a very premium product. With this Chinese knockoff, it doesn't feel bad, but at the same time, it doesn't feel premium. You can tell that there's a cheapness to the materials, inside and out. The company claims this is a 500 denier nylon. I question that, based upon feel alone. But, with that being said, this is substantially less expensive. And at the same time, it doesn't feel awful. It doesn't. This feels like a product that's going to last a while. Or let me say this. This feels like a product that's worth $35. Overall, the fit and finish is not bad. I did see some loose threads on here. Nothing that I think is going to amount to like any sort of trouble down the road. But without a doubt, the quality on the Numbat is better than this one here. Size-wise, these products are so close to being the same. I would say that the differences are minor. The biggest difference, though, is that this one is wider, and that is noticeable, especially once you have this full. It's a good inch wider than this one here. In the end, how close is the Chinese version compared to the Numbat? Very, very close. Some people will appreciate the additional space and the additional pocket with the Chinese version, whereas others will appreciate the better materials, the higher quality with the Numbat. Ultimately, these products are exceptionally similar, but this one is exceptionally less expensive. Is the Chinese version going to last as long as the Numbat? I cannot say. I simply do not know. I just got this product in the mail the other day after I purchased it. I had a viewer write in telling me about this product, and I found it interesting enough to order one. My question for you all is this: what do you all think about these 2 pouches? What do you think about the Chinese version, and what do you think about the Numbat? What do you think about the price differences between these two? $35, $36, right at 80, 90 bucks. I like Helikon-Tex products quite a bit, but I have to say, this is kind of funny. This is an original product from Helikon-Tex, but Helikon-Tex themselves have copied products from other companies. So in a way, it's like bad karma, you know what I mean? They did it, someone's doing it to them. Tit for tat? I don't know. Comment down below, share your thoughts. What do you all think about that? What do you think about this Chinese company copying this product? All right, everyone, I am done talking about this pouch. Comment down below, share your thoughts. What do you all think about this? What do you all think about the price? What do you think about the differences? What do you all think about the Numbat? Again, if you haven't seen my review, make sure to check it out. This is a great product. I do think it's a shame that the company continues to raise the price. The price is getting very close to premium chest rigs that are out on the market today. Anyways, everyone, I'm done for now. Take care, be well, strength and honor.